Hi, this is Kelly from Crafty Kelly's at www.craftykelly.co.uk, and if you are new to me, my brand is Crafty as a Fox, and I am pleased to share with you my new stamping press. I'm going to give you a quick check or close-up look of the packaging. So this is a 16 centimeters by 16 centimeters stamping press. It's for clear acrylic stamps, or photopolymer stamps. And it is to aid you with your stamping if you struggle with a block, or if you just like using stamping presses. There is an explanation how to use it on the back of the packaging, followed with my website address, and if you have any problems, please get in contact. So this stamping press is a clear acrylic stamping press, hinged like a book, and it's so simple to use. So we're going to start with a piece of cardstock, and for this I'm going to slot it into the corner. Now what's different about this stamping press to some of the others out there is that this lip at the end is open, whereas this one is concealed. Or is that the right word? I don't know. So it's got a lip all the way around except for this one edge, which means that if your cardstock is longer than the actual stamping press, you can still use that cardstock, and if you need to, rotate and still get a nice clean stamped image. As mentioned, this is a 16 centimeters by 16 centimeters. You can use a little bit of low tack tape or masking tape to just hold it in place if you want to, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to remove my stamp from the carrier sheet and just position that onto the cardstock like so, by closing the lid and just applying a small amount of pressure picks up the stamp nice and cleanly. So with my ink, I'm going to ink up. Now I'm going to purposefully miss a piece just to show you the real benefits of using a stamping press. So when you close the lid after inking, apply even pressure across the stamp. I like to almost trace my fingers around all of the lined image, if it is a lined image. If it is a full kind of solid image, then I would use all my fingers just to kind of push down evenly across it. So as you can see, right here in this corner is where I missed inked, because that happens sometimes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in, because the cardstock is where it was. I'm going to re-ink up, which I'm unable to do with a block, but with a stamping press I can. Once again, just adding that even pressure across the stamp, and you can do this as many times as you need. And then we have a beautifully stamped image. The stamping press is really easy to clean, like with your stamps. Literally wipe off the excess ink, and it is nice and clean, ready for the next time you want to use it. So if you need a stamping press or unsure how to use one, I hope this has been a helpful video to you. Thanks very much. Bye now.